forget to pick up a Halloween drawing sticker. If you like drawing, I put these on my sketchbook, I put these on my window, I put these on my water bottle and my laptop. These are great. They are on sale until October 31st, 2022 at 12 o'clock. After that, they're going to be gone forever. So pick one up at the first link right down below in the description.
Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a cat with a witch's hat, okay? It's going to be simple, easy, completely for beginners, and we're going to go step by step together. So let's do it. Right off the bat, we're going to draw the brim of that hat. So we're going to draw it right now. We're going to draw it down, line across, straight line across. Maybe it's going to flare up at the end over here. I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to give a little thickness to that hat. So I'm going to go over here, pull up a little bit, in like that. Over here on this side, out, in, for one side of the cat's face. Over here on this side, out, in, for the other side of the cat's face. Right? Really simple shape so far. And I'm going to pull down, pull down. Alrighty. Cool. Now I'm going to go over here and I'm going to find the ear. I'm going to go up, down. It's just a triangle, very simple. Make sure it kind of matches this, right? The underside of the head over here. Same thing with this. Over here. And I'm going to go over here and I'm going to find the top, the pointy part of the witch's hat. Okay, so I'm going to pull up. Maybe pull it in a little jaggedy, like there's a fold. Up. Over here. Out. In. Curve. Going to go over here. In. Down. Like so. Alright. I'm gonna pull a line in like that, like it's folding in, right? Like the cloth is bunching up. Curve right here, same thing. Line. Gonna go right here to the ears now, and I'm gonna put another triangle on the inside like this, or on this side, triangle like this. Line, 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 line. I'm gonna go over here and now I'm gonna find the cat's face. Okay, let's jump in here. So before that though, if you like learning how to draw Halloween stuff, hit the subscribe button right now. Click the bell notification. Okay, when you do that, it's gonna show you the videos that we're posting here on your feed. So like when you're scrolling the feed, there's like 30 videos, like 30 thumbnails. You're gonna see one of them be, you know, a Halloween drawing tutorial for the season only, because pretty much I post almost entirely around the Halloween time, and then I post a little bit in Christmas. But yeah, when you subscribe now, it's great for this season and for the next season. So it really kind of builds up. Gonna go over here and I'm gonna draw a slight curve right there for the eye. Go over to the other side. Slight curve on this side for the eye. Line right here for the nose. Down, kind of like a pizza slice. Curve line in, curve line in. Line down for the tongue. And then I'm going to draw like a U shape right here. Cool. I'm going to go down here kind of for the bottom of the cat's jaw. Kind of like a zigzag line for that. Now I'm going to do is I'm going to find the whiskers. So I'm going to start here. Well, first thing I'm going to do is put like 3 dots or so on this side, 3 dots on this side. Then I'm going to go over here and draw whiskers, and I'm gonna kind of wiggle them out because I just think it'll look more like this kind of wild, you know, almost like a wizard, but I know it's like a witch. And just kind of throw another one. Probably throw like 3 on each side. So, and then the last thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to, well, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to throw little armpits on here, right? Well, like the fuzziness. And then I'm going to throw a thick line around the outside border of this. By the way, don't forget, get the stickers that we have on sketchingeasy.com. We have Halloween stickers if you want to represent Halloween art, the Halloween art community. I want to really kind of push the Halloween art, I don't know what you call it, mini movement, right? It's just fun to do stuff. It's fun to draw your favorite things, so absolutely check that out at the store. I'll put a link below as well in the description at sketchingeasy.com, and then I'm going to put them there on the store right there. On over here. Curve in, fill it in. Over here, fill it in. And again, like filling that out. You might even want to fill this out even more because it is the underside of a hat. But it makes it look a little bit more 3D if you give a little bit more of like a thickness here to the underside. Maybe like this on this side and fill this in here. Over here. And again, I'm just trying to thicken the line out at the edge, and what it does is it gives it a little bit more containment. And just like on a style sense, it just gives it I don't know, it just gives it some more stuff. Basically, it gives it more oomph. And over here, I'm gonna go on this last one right here, and I'm actually gonna pull this down. If you want to throw anything extra in the background, totally do that. Maybe we can throw a crescent moon here in the back, like right here. In the circle like that. And a smaller circle on the inside. We could even throw a couple of like birds or bats over there flying around. And that's pretty much it, honestly. If you want to add anything extra on the cat's face, I could draw a thin line right here for kind of the crest where the nose is falling down. And you can even throw a little bit of a darker line right here because the hat's going to have a shadow to it. Anyways, that's it. I want to thank you very much. You are amazing. Yeah, reach out to me and say hi to me in the comment section. And if you love Halloween, like I said, obviously hit the like, but if you love Halloween, share the video somewhere, whether it be Reddit. If you think this is cute, share it. And don't forget to download the cute drawing ebook as well. Talk to you later.